I used Arch Linux for more than a month, and honestly, it's overhyped. I have seen so many memes talking about how Arch Linux teaches you pain, and it has literally become a flex to use Arch Linux. But honestly, it's not that difficult to use it. Yes, you have to do manual installation. You may encounter errors after every few days. You may face some issues, but you can easily resolve them with the help of YouTube, ChatGPT, or Google. So it's not that big of a deal to use Arch Linux. The main question is, should you use Linux if you are a Windows user? Well, if you are not a programmer or not interested in computer science and you use your computer for daily basic tasks like editing Excel files, sending messages, watching Netflix, then it's not really necessary to switch to Linux. It may be a waste of time for you. But if you are a programmer, you should use Linux as it is very customizable. It helps you understand how an operating system works internally, which will make you really grateful to Windows, how Windows manages a lot of overhead for you. And the most important thing due to which I switched from Windows to Linux is it makes you comfortable with terminal. Being comfortable with terminal can increase your productivity as a developer in long term, especially in production based environments where you don't have access to these fancy GUIs. If your server or anything which is on cloud, if it crashes or something happens, you can directly connect to that computer on the cloud through terminal and fix whatever that thing is making that server crash. For example, I have this backend API of one of my projects in the production environment. Now, if this backend crashes or something happens to this backend, I can easily connect to this backend by my local terminal, or I can request a terminal on the cloud and literally do anything like change files in this backend, list all files in it. And apart from this, there are a lot more advantages of using terminal. So I'm not still much proficient with terminal. I'm still have to learn a lot of things. But yeah, that was the reason due to which I switched from Windows to Linux. So that's it for this video. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Do comment down which type of videos do you want in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one.